everyone. We're cooking pasta, cheese pasta. We saute it with garlic, onions, and more. And I saute it with extra virgin olive oil, or you could have vegetable oil as well. And of course we have the sauce. I love lots of tomato sauce and lots of olive oil, excuse me please. And I am adding in herbs de Provence. Mom and I traveled to Europe. Dad and mom traveled to Europe as well, and all my brothers and sisters also traveled worldwide. And so in France, there's lots of lavender and herbs. And then I'm gonna add in a little bit of sweet. This is the secret of mom, but I'm telling you now. Excuse me please, ouch, it's hot. So I'm adding in some honey, and honey is good for all of us. And I'd like to have some kick, and I'm adding in black pepper, and then we continue to stir. You could see excuse me please, you could see the cheese have melted. And when you have olive oil with tomato sauce, it's going to bring out more of the nutrition of the tomatoes. Oh my, super yum. And I am looking for I'd like to add some parsley a little bit, and then this is also very good for all of us. I'm holding my camera at the same time. So, all right, and then we continue to stir. Oh my goodness, this is super delicious. Look at that. And more delightful food recipes of my beautiful and beloved mom, Mrs. Teodora Gutierrez, are in this her gorgeous cookbook, Mom and Chef, Nanay, Nene, Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter. Yes, that's me speaking to you about the video. Miss Juanita Gutierrez, BSCD, MSCD. The word Nanay means mom in English. I wrote a book, Speak Tagalog, and available worldwide as well. Mom and Chef and all my 22 books, yes, 22 books of mine are available worldwide at Amazon, Ex Libris, Barnes & Nobles in ebook, Kindle, paperback format. That means, ebook means you could upload my Mom and Chef cookbook and all my 22 books quickly in your computer. Or you could have paperback copy as well, or hardbound copies. Also, you could find my 22 books at my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, bsedmsed.com, juanitagutierrez.com. I invite you all to visit. And that's my beloved mom in our kitchen when we were growing up. First woman ever elected public official in our hometown, and a top notcher as well as my dad. proposed and founded the only public high school. For I, her daughter, yes, that's me, Juanita Gutierrez, Miss Gutierrez, speaking to you about the video. First taught as a new school teacher and was unanimously elected the Youngest Teacher Association president. My dad was a USA stenographer typist, and when my dad retired, my dad was twice down elected leader, and he signed a public school budget in the school that my mom founded with other government officials. And then I was, as a new school teacher here in the school that my mom founded, I was unanimously elected the Youngest Teacher Association president, school paper advisor, outstanding teacher, English teacher, and then I moved to the city of Manila to be the university professor, and then all the way here in New York City, New York, USA, where I'm a New York City school teacher for so many years, university professor, outstanding teacher, and teacher trainer here in New York City, and more. Humility aside, if I could mention, in all my 20 books worldwide. The aroma of our pasta is already, let me turn off the stove. Very aromatic and very nutritious. Come on and eat. You're all invited to my table. Happy cooking in the Tagalog language. Masayang pagluluto po sa inyong lahat. Happy cooking. Enjoy. And super yum. And I would like to invite you to have a 10% discount using my name, Juanita. If you would like to order a www.alfredseafood.com, seafoods or steak, or call here in New York City, New York, USA where I am, over the phone 1-833-GOT-CRAB, and you could get a 10% discount using my name, Juanita. Enjoy, and thank you for all your support. Oh wow, this is hot, 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 and yum, yum, yum. You're gonna love this as I do. Pansit luglog. We call pansit palabok, pansit luglog. And here in the USA where I am, I seldom see bihon, the thin, B-I-H-O-N, the thin noodles. So I use in our pansit palabok, pansit luglog. We call pansit luglog in the province where I grew up in the Philippines. Look at this. Super yum pansit luglog or pansit palabok. Yum, yes, with a twist. I added cheese. Come on and eat. Our pansit palabok is ready for us to be enjoyed. And I'm going to plate this, and then we wait it to cool for all our noodles, our pansit luglog to cool down. But first, we are going to bless our food. Isn't it important? Blessing for food. Mighty I am presence, accept this food, make it pure and holy, transmute it into thy violet golden flame of divine love, and see that it purifies and perfects all our bodies with the speed of thought, forever self-sustained. And so it is done, beloved, I am. Come on and eat. You're all invited to my table. This is hot still, but let's taste our pansit luglog or pansit palabok. Let me get a spoon for you, and then all of us, let's Let's have a little bit, excuse me please, a little bit of the sauce. For you and me now, all of us, I'm going to blow a little bit of air because it's still hot. Yum. Mmm. Excuse me please. Just perfect. Come on and eat. You are invited to my table. Let's enjoy CheeseLuglog. We call it CheeseLuglog in the province where I grew up, in the Philippines. Or you could call it pancit palabo. Yum, yum, yum. You're gonna love this as I do. And my beloved mom said that you have to stir the food that you're cooking very well so that the flavor will spread out all over your dish. And this is just perfect. Indeed. Wow. You're gonna love this as I do. Happy cooking. Come on and eat. We top this with hard-boiled egg. That's all. But there are so many versions of CheeseLuglog or pancit palabo. Some sprinkle chicharron or pork cracklings. Some sprinkle with roasted fish or tinapa in Tagalog. But I grew up with my beloved mom's cooking right here in front of our kitchen when we were growing up. Pancit palabok with hard-boiled egg sprinkles and lots of garlic. And each time my mom cooked, our kitchen smells so good. And my mom's cooking is super flavorful. Number one. Yes. And come on and eat. You're all invited at my table. You're gonna love this as I do. I turn up the stove, so this is going to cool down on its own a little bit. And I just like to drop bay leaf as it's still hot. And we continue to stir. Wow, this is just yummy to the tummy. You're gonna love this as I do. Our pancit palabok, and I use pasta because here in the USA where I am, I don't see much of the bihon or the thin rice noodles, so we just use whatever is available. And so we have pasta in our pancit palabok. And pancit palabok is one of my favorite that my beloved mom always cooked. And it is really yummy to the tummy. You're gonna love this as I do. Look at that. Super flavorful. I love lots of, it's good to have extra virgin olive oil right here. When you have tomatoes in your sauce, so that the lutein, we call it lutein, from the tomato will come out, and that is very, very nutritious for all of us. Wow, this is just mouth-watering indeed. And we keep stirring so that the flavor will come out. This is super delicious. Come on and eat. You're all invited at my table. And then we will toss out the bay leaf as soon as it gives out the flavor. Wow, look at that. Super delicious indeed. Our pancit tuglog or pancit palabok. Yum. Happy cooking for you and me and all of us. Yummiest. Enjoy.